My name is Mike, and this is the Hot Seat. Your modern day warrior back again to discuss a very important topic. And that topic, folks, is once again corporate America stomping on the neck of the American people. Folks, I'm sure many of you have heard about the upcoming and future IPO of the great social network of Facebook. It's been on the table for a while now. We've all heard about it. And unfortunately this week, Goldman Sachs decided to prohibit American investors from jumping on this IPO. Goldman Sachs Group has prohibited U.S. investors from participating in the private offering. The investment bank said Monday it decided to restrict the fund to prospective shareholders to only Asia and Europe. They're the only ones that could jump on this IPO now. Goldman Sachs is prohibiting $7 billion in American orders into this IPO. Here we are in a downtrodden economy, right? People have no money to spend, and yet $7 billion could be pumped back into the economy. See, this is the biggest IPO since Google. And we are not allowed to participate in it. This is an American company, but Americans can't invest in the IPO. How nice. They cite the reason for this is because there are too much publicity. Too much publicity? This is the internet. This is the 21st century. Everybody knows about everything. Everything is public. You press a button, you find out anything. This is ludicrous. When Goldman Sachs was pressed into stating the reasons, they said, oh, it violates SEC regulations, but would not cite the exact law or regulation. So they're not even given a concrete reason to keep us out of the loop. This, folks, is a disgrace. The Wall Street Journal, which reported the decision to exclude U.S. clients from the private offering on Monday, said about, again, $7 billion were received. This is the Wall Street Journal telling us this. Goldman Sachs did not specify which laws they're concerned about, and this comes after Goldman Sachs and a Russian investor pumped in $500 million into Facebook earlier this month. Folks, if that doesn't stink to you, I don't know what would. And seriously, if you think, America, that you're not at war against your own government and big business, your head is in the sand. Okay? They are coming at us from all sides. The Democrats, socialists want to blow us out with expenditures through the roof. Republicans want to strip away our benefits. And corporate America just wants to block our opportunity. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness is being flushed down the toilet for the average American. That is where you have to step in and say no. I urge all of you that have investments with Goldman Sachs to pull it. It's been reported that they've lost 53% in earnings last quarter. Let's drive it up to 100%. Pull your money out of Goldman Sachs. If they're going to stop you from making money, then you stop them from making money. Because, folks, this is an absolute disgrace. Goldman Sachs set up an offshore fund, how convenient, which initially was to have been available to investors in the United States, and they pull the rug out from us. Ladies and gentlemen, you people have to act now. Pull your money out of Goldman Sachs. Vote third party. We've got to revamp this system. And this occurrence is a wonderful prelude that starting next week, my multi-part series on the government and big business stripping your rights. And surrounding that theme is the 16th Amendment, which there is strong evidence to show that amendment was not ratified properly in 1913. And for those of you that don't know what the 16th Amendment is, just think about what April 15th is. Send your questions and concerns to indYconservative@hotmail.com. My name is Mike, and this is the Hot Seat.